All right, guys, I know milling isn't what this channel's all about, but in order to do projects, we need to mill. So I got one live edge, like 1.5 inch thick oak board out of that log, and 2 4x6s, 11 footers. So that's exciting. That log was very warpy and had knobs and different, so I'm surprised I got 2 nice beams out of it. I'm happy. Like I said again, these are kind of like the oak tops, so they're a little bit smaller and curvier, not as straight. And then I got the primos over here, 4 more, so I should be able to get a lot of beams or a lot of nice board feet out of that. So anyway, I'm gonna leave those there for now. I'm gonna go up and grab Jenny. We were gonna just fiddle fart and do little projects today. She was gonna split wood and I was gonna mill a log or 2. And we wanted to go have some fun tonight. Take the boys out on the lake maybe.
Alright guys, that was a lot of work, but satisfying. Got 2 nice big old stacks of bonfire wood. There's lots of wood still down there for me to split. It's just gonna be bonfire or burning wood for like outside projects. So I'm gonna go get more and figure out where we're gonna stack those ones when I got another truckload.
Timing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get enough wood over there for campfires for the summer?
Yeah, I got another truckload, but there's probably another 2 or 3 truckloads still, so I'll do more tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Look at all that beautiful wood! I'm so happy.
All right, guys. I bucked up all that old poplar from the food plot. Jen split it. Nothing goes to waste, guys. Even the scraps. We're starting to throw all our compost, not food. You can't do food with the bears around. We're just throwing all the ferns and leaves and bark and stuff. We're throwing it right here in these a couple big holes right here. And that'll be our compost piles, and that'll fill up with nice, beautiful dirt over the years. You always got to have a compost pile somewhere. I'm gonna try to eat and go out on the water, so we'll try to take you out on the water with us a little bit.
So I can show you all the monsters that Jason catches.
Yeah.
Not that I catch.
So, all right, puppies will be excited too. We need to go do something fun together. So. To live. Oop, I got a fish. No, I don't. Son of a gun. That line was going tight and we were blowing toward it. I'll cast right up by those sticks. Like as far as you can into the middle of those sticks. Perfect. That's where the fish are at.
Oh, there's a fish right there. You see it?
Following your lure?
Yeah.
Ooh, big old pike.
Like right there.
Big old pike. Not like a giant, but
it was a big fish.
Pretty big.
I would have been happy with that. It was following it.
Well, that net out.
Oh, a biscuit. Need that spinny gold lure.
It's right here. It's right somewhere if you want it.
A spinny gold lure to catch the pike.
You want it?
A spinny gold lure. No, it's called.
I'm going to turn the boat around. And then you're going to get first dibs still. But you got to be casting off that side of the boat.
Oh, Scott, you're so happy. You're way better today.
Unless you get first dibs on everything. I don't know what it is yet. Ooh. Large mouth.
Woo woo! Oh, what has it got, Scout?
Oh, look at that.
Huh? What's it got, boys?
Spider.
What's that he got?
Look at that. There we go. Look. Look.
Look at that, guys. Good job, love.
It's a beautiful fish.
Good job.
Are we keeping it?
You said smallmouth you were keeping.
I mean, he's 14 to 15 inches. Let's let him go, guys.
Hi, fishy. Beautiful night out fishing. In fact, not catching anything.
Goodness. I think this puppy was being tortured.
Rolling into the...
Come here, buddy. Come here. What? He's such a
rolling on the
whiny,
shore here, young man.
such a whiny little puppy.
I tried and I failed, but it's okay. 'Cause I got to be out in the water.
That's why they call it catching or fishing and not catching, huh?
Exactly. A bad night fishing's better than a good day working, right?
Yeah.
It's the saying. Something like that. I don't know. I'm okay with it. Got to hang with the pups. And you, I guess.
Beautiful.
I got to hang out with my babies. Scout did so good. Come here, Scout. Scout. Scout's second time on the boat. He's done good. He likes to lick the fish. Timber could care less about anything at all in the world.